This is the completely assembled adapter for smartphone-based fundus imaging you will use. It is called Paxos Scope. Please directly apply all shown steps during each submodule by yourself. Halt the video and repeat each assembly step on your own. This will greatly increase the learning experience. Let's get started. These are the parts that you need for the assembly: the smartphone holding part of the adapter, the lens holding part of the adapter, and the lens. So how do you now assemble these into one functioning system? Before moving the mount for the lens upright, you should make sure to loosen the screw. Once the mount is upright, gently tighten the screw again. Now carefully insert the lens into the mount, but make sure not to leave any fingerprints on it. Make sure that the lens is in the right position and that the jagged side of the lens is looking away from you. If you use the Falk Pen Retinal 2.2, the silver side of the lens needs to look away from you. Now attach the arm to the other part of the adapter by inserting it and gently turning it. Make sure that the arrow meets the locked mark. Move the small lens aside. It is for the examination of the anterior segment. Now gently pull the brackets away from each other and put the smartphone into the mount. Make sure not to scratch the camera lens by avoiding contact of the camera with the adapter.